Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this smooth animation in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. First, take a frame and change the background color. Now take a circle and align it to the center. Change the color and add the texture to it. Now add the text. Duplicate the text. Add the stroke and remove the fill. And reduce the opacity. Next, to create a glass effect, take a frame, fill it with the color and reduce the opacity to 1%. And add a corner radius. Now add an inner shadow at the top and change the color to white. Add another inner shadow at the bottom. Then add the drop shadow. Now take a rectangle, change the color and reduce the opacity to 1%. And place it inside the frame. Add the texture to it. To make a texture visible, add a background blur. Play around with the texture values until it looks nice. Now take another rectangle, place it inside the frame. Match its size to the frame. Add a stroke and remove the fill. And add the corner radius. Also apply a layer blur. Now you have created a glass effect. Now add your text and button inside the frame and align it. Now take a circle and duplicate it. Change each circle's color to match the image. And bring them inside the frame. Duplicate this frame. Remove the text and buttons and resize the frame. Resize the rectangles too. Place the circles inside the frame and align them. Now take another circle, duplicate it and change the color. Place them inside the frame and stack them. Position them in the corner and set their opacity to 0. Bring in the images inside the frame. Now select these 3 images and apply the layer blur. Now select these 2 images and move them outside of the frame. Now align this image to the right. Now take this image, increase the size and align it to the center. Duplicate the frame. Resize the center image. Align it to the left and apply layer blur. Remove the layer blur from right image, resize it, and align it to the center. Bring in the next image into the frame. Select the circle, increase its opacity and resize it. Duplicate the frame again. Move the left image out of the frame. Resize the center image, align it to the left and apply layer blur. Remove the blur from the right image and resize it. Bring in the next image. Select the circle, increase the opacity and resize it. Duplicate the frame again and repeat the process. Switch to prototype mode. Connect the frames using on-click interaction. Set it to Smart Animate with slow easing for 1500 ms. And that's it. Hope you found this Figma animation helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.